Hey guys, how y'all doing? Welcome back to the channel, our family, our home. I just picked up one of mama's medicines from the hospital, but yeah, just heavy-hearted today. I wanted to let you guys know, if y'all follow my daughter, Alisha, um, on YouTube, y'all may have already seen her short, or y'all may not have. I'm not sure. But it's just been rough. It's been a rough evening, a rough night last night. She called me about 8:30, 9, and she was crying. Um, and she told me her grandmother passed. And y'all remember a few videos back, I was telling you guys how God blessed me with multiple mothers in my life, along with my biological mother. And I was telling y'all how Alijah's grandmother has always been that mother in my life before I even had my daughter Alisha, because we grew up as family first. I mentioned to y'all that that Alicia's grandfather passed a few months back, and that took a toll on us because my mom, Alicia's grandfather, all my uncles, my aunt, all of Alicia's grandfather's siblings, my Uncle Anthony that lived next door to us, my Uncle Jack, all of them grew up from kids, from babies together. My grandmother and grandfather, and Richard, Alicia's dad, his grandmother and grandfather, they got married around the same time. They built their homes together right next door to each other. They was friends growing up, family growing up. And they had babies. They was pregnant together, had babies together. They did all that together. And then it went down to my mom now with all of them growing up. And then with me and Richard and all of the kids growing up together. And then we ended up having a child together. So these are generations of family and friends. And I don't even want to say friends. This is a generation of family. Because a lot of times family do not have to be blood. You are sometimes closer to people who's not blood related to you than your own blood family. And so when she called and when she called and told me last night, it's like, I lost a mama. And it's very difficult. Because this is the first time since my grandmother passed. Because I told y'all, my grandmother helped my mom raise me. So this is the first time since my grandmother passed away in 2008 that I lost a mother figure. So it's really taking a toll on me for a lot of different reasons. For one, I'm hurting for my daughter. I'm hurting for my children because they lost a grandmother. I'm hurting for my sister Tanya because she lost her biological mom. I'm hurting for my mama because she lost a friend that she had all of her life and a sister to her. And I had to tell mama last night. And when I told mama, you can tell it really affected her. And I was gonna wait till this morning and tell her when her nurse and stuff came by, but I didn't want to know that news and not tell her. Like me and Alisha was saying, it's crazy because, like I said, she was here. She's been here for the past 3 months. She came in December. She came in January. And then she just left last Wednesday. She literally just left to go back to California last Wednesday, and she came to see Mama before she left. And Mama was telling me this morning, and it was just so sad because it's like, I know Mama know, but I think she's just processing it, and like I said, grieving it all, because she was like, Carolyn was just here. She was just sitting right on side of me, and we was talking. And I said, yeah, Mama, I know. And she was like, we was talking about a whole lot of stuff, and she was saying, I'm going to come down here all the time and see you, because we never know. Like I said, me and my daughter was just talking, and I told her to feel everything she needs to feel, because it's going to take time. So if y'all are not a part of her channel, if y'all have not subscribed, y'all don't have to go over and subscribe. But I'm just asking those who are prayer warriors, those who believe that God is a healer, that God is the ultimate King of Kings. For those of you guys who want to just be there for her and pray for her, please go over to her social media channel over here on YouTube. Her link is in the description box. And just let her know that y'all praying for her. Like I said, y'all don't have to subscribe or nothing. Just comment on a post. You can comment on a community tab. You can comment on a short. You can comment on a video. But just let her know that y'all praying for her. Please send y'all condolences. Because like I said, I loved this woman before I had my daughter. But that's still my daughter's grandmother. And the void that she feel is different than the void that I feel. And I want my baby to be okay. I need my baby to know that she has family that's praying for her, that's standing in a gap for her. Because as a mother, when you see your baby sad, when you see your babies hurting, when you see your babies crying, no matter their age, you hurt for them. You hurt for them. And it's like you can't even hurt for yourself because you hurting so much for them. So I'm just asking God to just heal our family, heal our entire family. And we are going to, of course, we're going to have better days. We're going to get past this. But right now, it's just fresh. It's just really fresh right now. They say they haven't even been a 24-hour period. But Alicia's on her way to the house. I'm still sitting up here at the hospital, but Alicia's on her way to the house to see Mama. She said she was going to come over last night, but it was late, and she just wanted Mama to rest because she know how much this is affecting Mama as well. And Alicia's like, I lost my daddy, I lost my grandfather, I lost my grandmother. I don't want to lose my other grandmother. I can't right now. So I told Alisha, one thing we cannot do is control God's destiny for any of our lives. But you are still entitled to feel how you feel. Just give it to God and talk to him. I said, because Alisha, I understand. I understand exactly how my baby feel. Because like I said, when I got that call, I know how my heart dropped. And I immediately thought of her. But I was still thinking of my mama. Because that feeling, when you lose a mother figure, or you lose your mother, or your grandmother that raised you as a mother, it's no feeling like that. And like I said, when I lost my grandmother, I know that pain. Seeing my mama go through what she go through, I'm feeling, I'm in this pain. And then losing my other mom, Alisha grandmother, I'm feeling this pain. So I have, and like I said, it will, I know it does not go away, but God will ease you so that you can cope. But just knowing she's in heaven by him, knowing she's at the right hand of her Father, knowing that her job on this earth is done. Yeah, knowing that he said, well done. Her job is done here. And God called her home to live out the rest of eternity with him. And that's the ultimate, that's the ultimate gift that one day we'll all be together. In a beautiful eternity. In a beautiful eternity. And that's the one thing that just gives us all hope. So yeah, y'all just pray for my daughter. Pray for my daughters on time, for my family, for my mama. And like I said, if y'all are subscribed to Alisha, just go over there and just let her know. And it may take her a minute to get back to you guys. Because right now, like she said, she don't want to talk to a lot of different people. And I understand. But I love you guys. Thank y'all for being here. Thank y'all for being supportive. Thank y'all for being prayer warriors in my life, in my family life. Thank y'all for continuing being sisters and brothers and aunties to my kids, uncles to my kids, friends to all of us, and family to all of us. I do have some videos that's old that I do have to get out. But I will put this video up before I put them up. But I haven't been doing anything else this week. I've just been enjoying the grandbaby this past weekend and just resting. And I guess God knew what I needed because he knew what was going to be this week. So I probably won't do much else this week, but just be here for Alisha and be what she need me to be for her. But like I said, I will put this video up today. And I'm under the weather. I'm not feeling well. I've been sick the last couple of days. But I'm finna go home and get her this medicine and just rest. Oh God, just rest. But I'll keep you guys informed on everything. But I love y'all. And I'll talk to y'all later.